The high-tech cardio module incorporates 5 different cardio machines, obviously in order to develop cardiovascular endurance. There is an optional piece of equipment called an arm ergometer, which is also available upon request, that is used as an alternative piece for those that are either handicapped or are injured and would not be able to use any of the other pieces of equipment. The first piece we're going to talk about is the Recumbent Bike. It's a stationary bicycle, but it puts you in a little bit more comfortable position than the regular upright stationary bike. There are 2 adjustments. The first is the adjustment to move the seat forward or backward, and that's just underneath. You're just going to lift the lever, and then it slides very easily. Now you might have to adjust this a few times by getting on the seat and actually testing. The one test is once you are on the bike, when you're pedaling, you want, when your foot is in the pedal, at the farthest distance in the stroke, you want to have a slight knee bend. So you might have to adjust it a few times. There are numbers on the shaft, so once you know your adjustment, you can just remember your number and set it up, like I'm at a number 5. The other adjustment is for the seat back. There's a knob on the side which changes the lumbar support in the back. So you just turn the knob and adjust it to what is most comfortable for you. As you turn it forward, you can actually see the cushion adjust for whatever's comfortable for you. And again, that's going to take just some experimenting. All right, I'm going to go ahead and get on the bike. I've already got my seat adjusted. I'm going to put my feet in the toe clips. You want to make sure the students use the toe clips because that'll give them a better stroke. And as you can see, when I'm in the most forward position, my knee has just a slight knee bend. You don't want to be overextending the leg. Obviously, then your seat would be too far away, or you don't want to be too close where your knees are up in your face. There are handlebars on each side of the seat, also here. For me, that's a little bit of a reach, so I'd probably be more comfortable here. So depending upon leg length, arm length, you determine which would be more comfortable. You could also sit here just for a change, depending upon what type of program you're doing. In order to start the machine, you have to start pedaling. And then you'll have different options. You can just do a quick start, and then it's just manually you can adjust the level by pushing this button here up and down. You can see this is now at a level 4, 5, 6, and so on. It gets too hard, you can just manually adjust it down. You can reset, and then in order to start, I could select a program by just using the arrows here. There's our manual setup. We could do rolling hills, a ride in the park, speed intervals, strength, plateau, Pikes Peak. There's even a fitness test that you can incorporate. So I'm going to take it back. So we'll do a ride in the park. And all it's going to do now is adjust. The bike's going to do all the work for me. I'm just going to keep pedaling. Here, I can set up, once I enter the program, enter the time that I want to go. So we're just going 20 minutes. And then the bike is going to do all the work as far as changing the level of intensity.